73, an off-road crew led by some bastard named Udo. Lately, they've taken to racing around the airfield and smashing up my prototypes.
Okay, Mac. First we take you on some league races, then we challenge the bosses one-on-one.
Should start earning us the rep we need to enter the Outlaws Rush.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. तो गाइस आज हम दोबारा खेलने जा रहे हैं नीड फॉर स्पीड पे बैक। तो बगैर किसी शोर शराबे के इसके ट्रैक।
Time to check out League 73 and challenge them to a race.
Mac, first we take on some league races, then we challenge the bosses one-on-one.
Should start earning us the rep we need to enter the Outlaws Rush. I can fly! Ah, sick! Time to check out League 73.
Miles outside the city, it's just sky as far as the eye can see. League 73. Freedom happens at 100 miles an hour and 10 feet in the air. What do we have here? Fresh meat.
You're Udo Roth? Name's Mac.
I know who you are. You're Hash Tiger's drifting buddy. You here to take a tiger selfie, Mac?
Screw that. I'm an off-road racer, same as you. No, better.
Prove it. Beat my racers, then we talk.
How about we make a little extra money on the side? I'll tell you the bet I have in mind.
Fresh meat is on the lunch menu, boys and girls.
Ooh, careful now. I bite back. Buckle up. Nothing pretty here. Man, how am I this awesome?
Damn it, Max! I have enough trouble keeping these kids off the airfield as it is. Don't encourage them.
Gotta do this right, I'm sorry.
You're not goddamn sorry.
No, you're right. I'm not.
Whatever, just take their ass, all right?
Almost there.
Huh, not terrible.
Tolerable job, Fresh Meat. We might make an off-road racer out of you after all.
That's where you're wrong, bruv. I was born for this.
Say, I recognize you. You're with Crazy Rad's crew.
The only crazy thing about him is what he can do with an engine.
Did he feed you that line? Come by the solo array sometime. Prove to me that win wasn't a fluke. Leak 73, listen up. Udo here. No more playing nice. Kick his damn ass.
Yeah, come on, guys. Stop going easy on me. Just a scratch. Oh, it is on. I gotta say, first is feeling great. Yeah, baby. Gotta finish strong.
So, Selfie Boy, seems you're not all flash. The gang is starting to cheer you on. It's getting on my nerves.
Ah, sorry for being so awesome.
As if the house leaning on us to fix races wasn't enough of a headache.
I feel ya. They give everyone a hard time. Rise and shine, drifters. It's morning.
When you fly down a highway at 100 miles an hour, every decision is life and death. I am La Katrina, and this is the Graveyard Shift. You the gringo who wants to join our midnight run?
Join, beat, same difference. Name's Tyler Morgan.
Morgan, huh? Never heard of you. Try to keep up with us.
I'll do way more than that.
Órale! Time to dance with death.
Here we go.
Happy day, my game of legs. Happy day, my game of legs. Chihuahua. Happy day, my game of legs. Chihuahua. Didn't cross the border. Happy day, my game of legs. Chihuahua. Didn't cross the border. Let me the beast shoot first. Somehow I survived.
Back in, back in. Stay focused.
Not bad, Guido. Wait, Morgan. I have heard of you. You got taken out a few months back.
That was then.
And what is now, Way?
Beat your racers for one. Then beat you.
Lo siento, Way. You have no chance.
We'll see about that.
Hi, buddy. How's my superstar ballet?
Well,
Don't answer that. It was rhetorical. Can't you tell when I'm being rhetorical? Anyway, look. Big favor. You know that dry cleaning place I like? I don't remember the name, but I'm sure you do. Can you pick up my suit? Thanks. Mean it.
Sorry, boss.
Godspeed, racers. This is your curator. The streets whisper of opportunity and danger. 2 nights ago, an unknown racer took first place in the Boomville race. Rumor has it that's not the outcome some people wanted. And a local racer codenamed King Snake ended the night race into the hospital in an ambulance. To the winner, the streets say to you, ride free, ride proud, and check your blind spots.
Guess there's no going back now.
No more playing nice. Bury this loser in the dirt.
Yap, yap, yap. You keep talking, but I keep winning. Let's do this. Just saying hi. Keep up. Woo! How you like my dust? See ya after the race. Don't mind if... Ladies and gentlemen, the Mac wins again.
People might start thinking you're a legit off-road racer. Time I put that ridiculous notion to rest.
Does that mean I'll have the pleasure of kicking your ass, Udo?
Tell you what, beat me and I'll tell you where you can find a derelict.
Name the time and place.
Think you can beat my crew, Güero?
Wasn't too hard the last time.
Órale!
I got this. I've got this. Keep ahead. Hold yourself together, Ty. Not gonna last. In the nick of time. I win again, La Katrina.
They told me you had gone soft, Morgan. This fire, it's a pleasant surprise. Think you can keep it up?
Ask Lena Navarro.
Not many people can get under her skin like you did. What did you do, mijo?
She thinks she can rig races in Fortune Valley. I unrigged one for her.
Morgan here thinks he's back in the game, y'all. How about we give that new confidence a proper burial?
You're welcome to try. Good pass. Keep it up. Let's go. He's on. Just keep going. Yeah! Still got it.
So, you win again.
When do I race you?
Beat my crew in the next race. Then we talk.
Godspeed, racers. This is your curator. Fortune Valley's history is filled with legendary feats of daring and speed, some even dating back to the city's bootlegger days. I have a mission for you, racers. Find these spots and beat those records for me. Write your own legend in the annals of the valley. Show me you've got...
Playtime's over, Morgan. Now you lose.
Bring it. Let's do this. Excuse me. focused. Keep it together. Crushed it.
You've earned your turn against me, Morgan. Tell you what, show me some fire, and I'll even throw in a powerful corpse.
You mean a derelict? Where is it?
Beat me, and I'll show you.
I'll never complain about watching the sunset from behind the wheel.
Hope you're ready for this, Udo.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have some fun.
Buckle up.
Let's go, fresh meat. This ain't over.
Oh, yes it is. Say, League 73, any connection to the airfield?
Yeah, man, we used to sneak in there to scope out the UFOs when it was a secret military base. Had to off-road out of there when they'd spot us.
That's amazing. Wait, for real? Well, look at that. I'm already ahead of you.
Shut it.
Yeah, baby.
When I learned you wanted to race us, I was sure you'd be a pompous ass.
And?
You're a pompous ass, all right, but you can ride.
Looking forward to that derelict, Udo. All about those hard knocks.
What's a Brit like you doing in America anyway?
I like the weather. Come on. This is the birthplace of desert racing and the trophy truck.
Good answer.
That was the theory anyway. Reality's a little less glamorous. Let's go, let's go! Out of the way, Slowpoke.
Damn it.
Yeah, man.
I'll be damned, I came I'll be damned, I came last to a coyote.
Ah, god damn it!
Know what? I am taking a selfie to celebrate this.
That trail's tough as hell, but you handled it like a champ. The location of the derelict 240Z is yours. You're legit off-road in my book.
Thanks. You're not so bad yourself.
We'll stay off the airfield from now on. You earned that much.
Better yet, stop by the shop sometime. Maybe Rav can set you up with an engine worth a damn.
I'll think about it. See you around, fresh meat. We'll be here if you want a challenge.
Rav, I might know where to find the 240Z body.
Excellent. Bring it to the garage if you find it. With the right parts, you might be able to fix it up.
Also, the League 73 boys will leave you alone from now on.
You're the man, Mac.
Judging by the cars outside of Fortune's Resort Casino, I'd say there's not a lot of fortune to be made inside.
Ready to dance with death, Morgan? I'm not gonna go easy on you.
Good. I don't do easy.
¡Órale, güero! ¡Bailemos!
Back in, back in.
You're losing, Morgan.
Not for long. So, Kat, what's with the whole death thing?
Just a bit of fun, you know? My family owns a funeral home. We all have our brands, ¿verdad?
You know I'm coming for you.
This is not over, Tyler Morgan. Tell me what you returned, amigo.
Payback.
Ah, that's where the fire is from.
You serious about betting that derelict?
Yes, but you have to race me like your life depends on it.
Stay focused. The house is gonna come after you too someday, you know.
They're city rats. Nothing for them out here. They'll leave us alone.
Lara won't stop at the city. I know her.
Somebody check if he's still alive.
I'm okay, I'm okay. Adios, amiga.
Spanish sounds so ugly coming out of your mouth.
Too slowly, Katrina. You lose.
Well fought, Morgan. The dance is yours. I was wrong about you, amigo. Something has changed.
Yeah, it has.
Enjoy the Mustang, Morgan. I'll be seeing you.
It's Ty. Got a lead on an old Mustang body.
Is that so?
Uh-huh. Had to dance with the Grim Reaper herself to get it.
What?
Ah, graveyard shift. If you find it, come back to the garage and we'll see what we can make of it.
Tyler.
Well done with the Desert Leagues, kid. See how smooth things go when you do as I say?
Thanks.
Listen, I got something for your crew. Call it an early Christmas present.
What is it?
It's, an opportunity to strike at the house. Let's meet. I'll send you the info.
That's a really tough-looking Roman racer. Not ready yet.
Godspeed, racers. This is the voice of the streets. Fortune Valley has new players on the scene. Udo and La Catrina were both badly beaten on their own turf. Rumor speaks of two racers. Are they working together? Who are these mysterious racers? Your curator can only speculate.
Hey, sis. Sounds like our little crew's getting noticed.
You know that means the house is gonna notice us too.
Good.
You're here, good. Listen, the house is running convoys into town, and the next one's my Koenigsegg with some extra tech attached. You and your friends are gonna grab it back for me, okay?
Why would we do that?
1, you owe me. 2, I'll let your buddy Rav peek under that hood before you hand it over.
Don't need a third reason. We're in.
Yes. So, here's what you do.
They're transporting the Koenigsegg across city limits in 2 hours. We intercept,
Then grab the cargo.
It'll be part of a convoy.
What are you thinking?
Quick hit and run. Get me close to the truck and I'll take care of the rest. Rav, you turned that Mustang into a runner yet?
Yep, followed your specs, the plating's all in. It'll take a punch and dish it right back.
Great. Mac, you and Rav got that drone ready to fly?
I'll be your eyes in the sky.
All right. Time to show the house we're back. Let's go grab ourselves a hike car.
Drone's online and I'm looking for the convoy. You guys better hurry to the rendezvous point.
I'm not sure what Rav did to the Mustang, but it feels tight and heavy. Like it's tensed up for a punch.
All right, Ty, remember. The house will have enforcers protecting the convoy. We'll have to get rid of them first. Get me on the truck before it reaches the Ember Valley Tunnel, and we're in business.
The aerial surveillance will be blind inside the tunnel. Perfect time for a hit and run.
Bulletproof plan.
Worst case scenario, we improvise, right?
That won't be necessary.
Mac, how long have you known Jess? She always has a plan B.
Oh, and a plan C. And plan D. Oh, and plan E.
You got that right.
It's good to have you back, sis. We're gonna raise so much hell together.
I'm not here for thrills, Mac. I'm here for the job.
Yeah, we'll have fun doing it.
Seriously, though, I'm here to help you get into the rush, but that's it.
Uh-huh.
I'm dead serious.
Whatever you say, Jess.
Pull up here.
I see it. Truck's almost there. And they brought their muscle.
Here we go.
Get me close to that truck before it hits the tunnel. The house won't let us anywhere near the truck. We gotta take out those cars.
With pleasure.
Nice hit, Ty.
One down, one to go.
Just one more, take him out. Tyler! Tunnel's coming up. We've got to get rid of those cars.
Jess, you ready?
Get me in position.
What's going on?
I got brake checked hard. Look at him. What the hell?
This guy's out of his mind.
There's something much bigger going on here. They wouldn't go this far for just a car.
What's the play?
New plan. Forget the tunnel. We get him before he reaches the city.
Are you guys seeing this?
Seeing and feeling.
Back up. They got back up.
I see them.
Take him out, Tyler. These guys are tougher.
Freaking tanks is what they are.
You're going down either way.
Guys, more house cars headed your way.
We'll handle it.
Come on, get rid of these guys.
Guys, I'm hearing a lot of cop chatter. We got someone's attention.
Then let's get this done fast.
That last car's not gonna let you out that truck. You need to get rid of him.
How's the muscle? Mac?
Yep, that truck's all yours. You know the collector's gonna go mental when he finds out we took his new toy.
Payback, baby. No way you can make it on the back. What's the plan, Jess?
I don't know yet. Get me closer.
Jess, I've got a really bad idea.
Mac?
Ladder on the side. You can get up on his right.
Keep it steady!
Jess! Jess! You got this?
Jess?
That's what I'm talking about.
Good job, team. Let's take this baby home.
I'll see you there.
The Mustang's too hot. I'll ditch it and catch up later.
Jess, that's a hell of a lot of cops on your tail. You sure you can handle them?
In this car, they'll never keep up.
So, Jess, how's she handling?
You know when you step on the gas and the engine growls to life for a second?
Oh, yeah.
Like that, except it never stops.
You're kidding me. You're halfway to the airfield already?
I like this car.
Almost there, Jess. Man, I can't wait to drive this.
Sorry, Mac. The Koenigsegg's going straight to the gambler as soon as Raps had a peek under the hood.
Damn it. Why don't I ever get to drive a cool car?
It's a shame we can't drive it around. This thing is on fire.
Bring it into the garage. Time I took a peek under the hood. Figure out what's so special about this thing before we ship it back to Kiev.
So, you lost the car. This kind of failure will not become a pattern.
I'll find whoever did this. You can be sure of that.
My investors are becoming anxious. I pulled you out of the barrio because I thought you could handle this.
I can.
I hope so. What's under that hood was worth more than your life.
This better not be you, Morgan.
Tyler.
My guys just picked up the Regera. Miller messed up the alignment and the brake pads, but I decided I won't bill her.
How generous.
I know, right? Listen, we gotta meet.
What, now?
Yes, now. Maybe downtown. My place, Elysium Casino. Round the back.
तो गाइज आज की इस वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर आपको ये गेम प्ले पसंद आया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो।